Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine and safe. I welcome you all to my online class, and today the new lesson that I am going to teach you is on my body. Now if you say my body, what does it click? Yes, parts of our body, है ना? Parts of our body. So just let's see. Now here you see a picture, okay? Now the parts, I am going to put the parts of our body. Here comes the leg, okay? Then we have this, the stomach, the chest, and finally the face. Here we have the hands. Okay, now this makes up a complete body, and the other external organs like the eyes, the nose, ears, the lips, and the hair. This makes up a complete body. Our body is made up of many body parts called the organs. Now, a parts of our body has two organs. One is external organs. Now, external organs are those organs which we can see, like hair, nose, eyes, ears, mouth, lips. Okay, all these organs we can see, hands, legs, these are all external organs. And internal organs are those organs which we cannot see. They are inside our body. कहाँ पे है वो? हमारे body के अंदर है. Like the brain, heart, lungs, intestine, veins, they all are inside our body. Okay, so our body, the body part has two organs. One is external organ and one is internal organ. Now we come to the sense organs. Now what are sense organs? Organs that we see around us. Okay, we feel, we see around us. They are called sense organs. Now there are 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ear, nose, and tongue. Okay, now with the nose, what can you do with the nose? What does the nose help us in doing? It helps us in smelling things, whether it is a bad smell or a good smell. Okay, it helps us in smelling things. Then ears. What does the ear do? The ear helps us in listening. Surrounding में जो अगर आवाज़ आ रही है, it helps us to, supposing if I am clapping, you can hear the noise of my clap. And if a train is passing by, okay, you can hear the sound of the train. So there are high, low, high sound, low sound, hard and pleasant as well as unpleasant sounds. Then we have the eye. What does the eye do? You see the things that are surrounding us. जो इतनी अच्छी सृष्टि, भगवान ने इतनी अच्छी सृष्टि बनाई है, you can see the beautiful things that are around us, that we see with our eyes. And our mouth has a tongue. What do you do with your tongue? We can taste. We have different taste buds, है ना? अलग अलग taste buds होते हैं. We can feel different taste. Like now the chocolates. कैसे होते हैं chocolates? The chocolates are sweet, है ना, sweet taste करते हैं chocolates. And then medicine, how does the medicine taste? Bitter, है ना, एकदम कड़वा taste आता है medicine का. Then now this is, I have hot tea. Tea is very hot. You can feel, you can touch. Tea is very hot. And ice cream is very cold. Okay? Ice cream is very cold. Then how does the lime taste? The lime taste sour. Sour means khatta. And what does the red chili taste? कैसे taste आती है red chili की? तिखा, pungent. Okay? Then the cotton, how you feel the cotton when you touch it? It is very soft. And brick, it is very hard. Children, did you know that the skin is the largest organ in our body? With the skin we can touch and we can feel. Okay? So the skin is also a sense organ. And what does the skin do? It protects our body. है ना, पूरे body को cover करता है. It protects our body. The sense organs help us in seeing, hearing, tasting and smelling. Okay? Now we come to the so now I hope you have understood the sense organs. What are they helpful? How are they helpful? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Now we come to the internal organs. Now as earlier I told you, internal organs are those organs which are inside our body, है ना, body के अंदर होते हैं, like the brain, heart, stomach and lungs. Now all these have a special functions. They have a special function. The brain, what does the brain do? The brain helps us to think, learn and remember things and also helps us to do various activities. The brain controls the body, है ना, वो body को control करता है. And where is the brain situated? Brain कहाँ? This is the brain. और brain कहाँ पे situated है? It is situated in our head. It is inside the head. Then we come to heart. Now if you place your palm, if you place your hand to the left of your chest, you can hear something. You can hear the beating of your heart. Okay? If you place your hand on the left side of your chest, you can hear the heart beating. And you know how many times it takes in a minute? It takes nearly 72 times in a minute. The heart beats 72 times in a minute. And yes, when you go to the doctor, what does the doctor do? With the stethoscope, he listens to your heartbeats, है ना? आपकी heartbeats सुनाई देते हैं. Okay? Then we have the stomach. The stomach is a small bag. Whatever you eat, आप जो भी खाना खाते हो कहाँ जाता है? वो जाता है आपके stomach में. Then what happens? The stomach digests. It helps in digestion of food. The stomach helps in digestion of food. It churns your food. आपके पूरे food को churn करता है and forms into a liquid. And thus helps in digesting your food. Then lungs, we have two lungs and what we can breathe with the lungs, है ना, हम lungs से breathe कर सकते हैं. Okay children, I hope you all have understood this lesson and we must always take care of our body so that it remains healthy and fit. So I end my session over here. I hope you have understood the concept very clearly. So we meet for our next session. Till then, do take care of yourselves. Thank you.